Robert Morris here. I'm going to take you around the web app of Remind. So I found Remind, and it's a communication tool which allows you to communicate with students and teachers. And I'll just go ahead and log in. I already got an account created, and I can log in with my Google account. So I do that real quick. Very simple. And as you see here, it says "Good evening, R. Morris." And I am the teacher, and I joined today. And if you go here, if you're the student, you can click here that you're the student, or you can go here and click as a parent. This app is very easy to use. It's pretty straightforward, as you can see. You can add an owner onto this. You can add people. So when you're getting ready to add more students, you click up here on the Add People button, and you can join other classes. And right here it says what school you are enrolled with. And right up here you can create another class. So if I was to create another class, it would pop up right here and say, what's your class name? What is your class code? You can create a class code and what school this class is being taught at. So we go here and add people, like I showed before, and here you can write the student name, the phone or email, and then if they have a secondary or phone or email, they can get hold of them. Put that as an optional reference. And so what makes this so great is you can send PDFs, principal PDFs, in-person instructions. You can share links, you can share photos, you can share schedules, and also it's very easy to enter contacts with copy and paste from a spreadsheet. So if you already have a team roster, like I do for soccer, I can go to my Excel spreadsheet and take a tutorial right here, and it'll show you how to directly add participants to your class, which is pretty neat. So hopefully I've shown you how simple and basic this app is, that if you're a teacher out there, it is a very great tool, because besides students, you can put in parents right here and add other teachers so they can see. And then my parents can be here. So it's a really great communication tool. So when you send out your messages, it goes directly text message to your students or to your parents. So that way, if you have a last minute change of plans, for me, if practice gets canceled for whatever reason, rain delay, I can send this out real quick, get over here real quick, send out a message saying, hey, practice is canceled. Then, everybody receives that text message right quick and just real quick in the butt. And I hope that you can see, and this will be a useful tool for any educators out there. Thanks for watching.